Hey everyone, it's me again. Today I want to show you how to make a North African semolina bread. It is delicious. Let's bring a bowl, pour 1 cup warm water with 1 tablespoon yeast and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix it all together and set it aside. We're gonna use it later on. Add 7.5 cups of semolina into a mixer. I am using this bowl that carries 2.5 cups. So I am adding 3 bowls. You can use coarse or fine semolina. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of black seed. You can use different seeds like sesame seed or sunflower seed. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. I use olive oil because it's healthier. Bring the mixer with the hook attachment and mix all the ingredients together. Then add the yeast we set aside earlier into the bowl. Let's add 2 cups of warm water. After about 30 seconds, add an additional cup. Now knead it for about 2 minutes. But if you are using your hands, it will take about 5 minutes. You will know the dough is done kneading when everything bonds together. Now put it on a clean surface. See how it doesn't stick. Just give it like 8 strikes, like what I'm doing now. It's not gonna stick because it's semolina, it's not flour. You don't put anything on the counter. Bring 1/4 cup of warm water and as you need, add it little by little. Make sure it is completely absorbed before each addition until all the water is finished. See how I'm doing it, guys? Just go for it. Just press on it, it's gonna absorb all the water and get dry. See how? See, it doesn't stick. It's very nice and smooth. See, now make it into a log, the way I'm doing it, and cut it in 3. Make each piece into nice round balls, then set it aside and cover them for about 15 minutes. This will make the dough a lot more easy to work with. Now, let's take each piece and flatten them out into a nice round circle, like what I'm doing. You don't want to make them skinny, but also not too thick. You want to make it just right. Just follow exactly how I'm doing. Now place them back on the cloth for about 30 minutes. Let them rise double in size. It's time to start cooking the bread. Grab a skillet and set the stove on medium heat. When it's hot enough, carefully place the bread on top. Keep rotating it the way I'm doing it right now so it gets cooked evenly. Flip it on the other side and just keep pressing soft with the clean cloth on top. Wow, it's starting to look nice and golden. When it's done cooking, let's cut it in half and cook the edge of the bread until it's nice and golden. Look at this. It's nice and soft. I can't wait to eat this with some cream cheese and jelly, or just eat it by itself. It's that good. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share with your family and friends. Thank you!